Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Betterment Hall ticket. First, navigate to the official examination board's website. This is usually the primary portal for all exam-related announcements and services. Once there, carefully locate the specific section dedicated to Betterment examinations or admit cards. It's crucial to confirm you are on the authentic and secure site to protect your personal information. This initial step sets the foundation for a smooth process. After reaching the correct section, your next step is to identify the specific link for downloading your hall ticket. This link is often clearly labeled, perhaps as Betterment Hall Ticket Download or Admit Card link. Click on this designated option, which will typically redirect you to a new page. This new page is where you will provide your unique examination details to access your personalized ticket. On the credential entry page, you will need to input your specific details. Typically, this includes your registration number, which is a unique identifier, and your date of birth for verification. Some portals might also require a password or a CAPTCHA code for added security. Double-check all the information you enter for accuracy. Once everything is correctly filled, click the Submit button to view your Betterment Hall ticket on screen. Once your Betterment Hall ticket is displayed, take a moment to carefully review all the information. Check your name, photograph, exam center, and subject details for any discrepancies. If everything is correct, proceed to download the hall ticket, usually available as a PDF file. It is highly recommended to print at least 2 physical copies. Keep one safe and carry the other to the examination center on the day of your test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.